My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Ford Tourneo Custom. This vehicle has an L2 long wheelbase. It has done just over 63,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that the Tourneo comes with 9 seats in total. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the touchscreen, we can get access to valet mode, Apple and Android CarPlay, emergency assistance and Bluetooth. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. We also have heated seats on either side. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.